Hello all, in this video we'll see how to install IntelliJ in Windows 10. For that, search for IntelliJ IDEA. So jetbrains.com is the official website. So click on first link, click on download. Here, click on download of the community. So once the link is clicked, the download has been started. Once it is getting downloaded, open. The installation has been done. So click on next button. Click on next. Click on 64-bit launcher. Also click on this update path variable and click on next. So this after this installation is done, IntelliJ will be completed. So installation is completed. So click on finish. So here we are going to create a project. You can select which project you are going to create, either if it is Java or Maven. So first we will create Java project. Click on next. Provide a project name as Java demo project has been created.